Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add apps on the home screen in Samsung A36 or A56. If you want to add apps to your home screen, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to open your app drawer just like this, and here just select the app that you want to add to your home screen. As I'm going to add this one, just keep a long press on it, then move it up and it will move to your home screen. Just select the place on which you want to place it. The second way, just keep a long press on app and select add to home, and it will be add to your home screen. But the third way, you must have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for home screen, and here you must have to enable a setting which is add new apps for home screen. Just enable it, and after that, whenever you will get a new app, it will automatically add to your home screen. So that's how you can easily add apps on home screen in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.